Good morning, happy Sunday. And we were supposed to actually start the vlog a little early, but we, as you guys know, our weekend routine is talking to our parents and whatnot. So we woke up really late, and then we spoke with our parents back at home and everything, and then we were gonna start our vlog because we just started cooking. Marvel is over here, she's cooking over there. But then when I was gonna start the vlog, I cut my finger, so now I'm sitting over here and look at this. It's the perfect finger. Don't take it wrong, I'm not giving finger to anybody, but it's that finger. So anyways, I cut my finger while trying to cut taro root arbi because it's so slippery after you peel it, and Tanya was just telling me that be careful because I already slipped the knife one, and she told me be careful, and then bang! So I'm retired from the kitchen today. Yeah. She's not allowing me to be in the kitchen, and I don't want to spill blood yeah, around the food anyway, so I'm just waiting for it to stop. But anyways, let's go in the kitchen and find out what's cooking. I'm learning a new way of cooking pumpkin kaddu in the instant pot basically. So I'm excited to see how that comes out. And she's trying a very new recipe with arbi as well, taro root. Yeah. So she has all peeled and diced over here, and she has added some salt into it and leave it so that the slipperiness goes away, because she's gonna stir fry it with some mustard oil. And in the meanwhile, she's gonna make the masala, which is just some onion, excuse me, onion, garlic and green chili. And
garlic or ginger?
Garlic. Oh. And then we'll just show you what's next.
Right, so basically I'm just frying the arbi over here just with a bit of mustard oil, and that's it. I'm gonna make it nice and crispy until it loses all its stickiness. And I made the masala ready. This is onion, green chili and garlic, and my pumpkin is also ready in my instant pot right here. I'm just letting the steam come out, and then I'll show you how it looks. And lunch is almost coming together.
Okay, so look at this. The pumpkin thing is ready, and it came out so perfect, so delicious. I never knew you can cook it that way. Lens. So yeah, I never knew that you can actually cook it that way, and I think that's how I'm gonna do it from next time, because you don't have to keep standing there, keep worrying about it, and it's just perfect recipe. Maybe we should do a recipe video for this, like how to cook pumpkin in instant pot.
Yeah.
So anyways, and she's almost done with the masala for arbi, and arbi is fried here.
I added my usual spices like salt, turmeric, garam masala, dhania powder, and I also added a little bit of 2 tablespoons of yogurt.
Yeah, and then she'll add all of that. Yep.
It's because of yogurt, because I added very tiny bit of oil.
And yep, so she's gonna add the arbi in it and then cook it, and at the end we'll add a little bit of chickpea flour in it. So yes, we'll show you.
So my arbi is almost done. It's nice and soft. I'm just making it crisp, and here in a different pan I have a little bit of oil. I'm gonna add like a tablespoon of chickpea flour to it, cook it, and then add this whole thing here. And I'm just gonna be making parathe, and our lunch is gonna be ready. I made the triangle ones. So yeah, once everything, Khasta paratha, yes. As soon as everything's ready, yes.
Look at the arbi. It is super crisp. It is super delicious. And then pumpkin, the leftover paneer, raita, and paratha. So we are gonna have another one coming in. We are gonna go have lunch. And it looks super yummy. I already tasted it. The pumpkin was super good. The arbi came out to be delicious. This recipe is out of the world. So we are gonna go enjoy our lunch, watch some TV, and see you guys in a bit. And before I say that, yeah, look at the weather. It has been raining for last couple of hours. It's crazy. It is windy. It is, yeah, you can't see me. It's windy. It's crazy outside. So the weather is really good. So anyways, we'll go have lunch and see you guys later.
Alright guys, so that time of the year is here. It comes only once in a year and it continues for a month. That is mango freezing time. So whenever we get fresh mangoes, like this time we got from the farm, we showed you, I cut up the sweet mangoes like this in a baking tray, and I put like a foil and put them here and cut up in pieces, and then I'm gonna put this in the freezer. And he's busy eating the seed. So I put this tray in the freezer and let it freeze for like good 5-6 hours. And look at him.
Sorry for the distraction.
I let it freeze for good 5-6 hours, and then I put it in a Ziploc. That way whenever you take out, they always stay like individual pieces and they don't become a cluster, and that's the best way to freeze them. So that's what I'm gonna do. I did 2 trays over here, this and this. So I'm gonna freeze every day little bit so that we also enjoy and we also freeze it. Yeah. So good. Battery's dying. Oops.
We should eat no hands mango eating.
Oh yeah.
It's slimy, it's slippery.
Alright, I'm gonna go do laundry now. It's already washed and dry. I'll have to fold it and keep it. We cut up 5 mangoes. Over here you can see 5 mangoes. We froze I think 3 of them and we ate 2 of them. So yeah, we'll see you guys in some time.
Alright guys, so Tanya was actually editing and she just finished editing there, and the video is getting exported from yesterday, so it should be out in some time. The battery thing is flashing, so I'm gonna change that and come back to you guys. So as I was saying, finished editing the video. It's gonna be out soon. And we decided that we are gonna cheat today and we are gonna go eat. We are gonna get some food actually.
Yes.
We are not eating outside yet. So we are eating burger. We eating from Wendy's.
Wendy's.
So where are we getting fries from?
Wendy's or no?
I mean, we normally get fries from McDonald's. We get burger from Wendy's. And
we love McDonald's fries.
And then I normally get my shake from McDonald's.
Oh.
So that could be a thing today.
Yeah.
Alright.
Because we really want to do good with our food for the next 2 weeks, so just thinking of cheating today.
Yeah. So anyway, so that's what we are gonna go.
Yeah.
Let's go and get. So we are actually deciding here which burger are we gonna get. So look at that. We are just deciding over here which burger and what we are gonna get, and once we have decided, we are gonna go get our burgers and fries and everything and then show you guys and then eat it.
Yes. Alright, we got our food and I've already started eating. My god, the McDonald's fries are always so good. I have no idea why or how. So I got for myself, I got spicy chicken avocado BLT, and Mayan got spicy chicken sandwich. We got fries and he got frappe mocha that hopefully I can take 2-3 sips. And yeah, that's going to be our dinner, so let's go and eat. I'm gonna take a nice bite.
Good.
So good. Very good.
Alright, so look at him. He came and sat there. He doesn't come near our food, he just sits in that corner, but he makes his presence felt. So we are gonna watch a movie that's called 365 Days. I think it's a different language movie, but it's based on a best-selling novel. So it has a 98% match with our profile, like how we watch things. So we are gonna go watch that movie, enjoy our burger and fries, and see you guys in our next vlog. I hope you guys had an amazing Sunday, and all the best for your awesome, beautiful week.
Yep.
And thank you for watching us again, and we are gonna see you in our next vlog. Until then,
Bye.